Welcome to Review the Best by, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Airless paint sprayers, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Airless paint sprayers, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. And to help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Airless paint sprayers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Graco Magnum Blue Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Transform your painting projects with the Graco Magnum Blue Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Take your painting to the next level with the Graco Magnum Blue Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Perfect for DIY homeowners and remodelers, this powerful and mobile sprayer is ideal for projects up to 10 gallons, making it a great choice for both indoor and outdoor jobs. With fully adjustable pressure control, you can easily spray paints or stains unthinned at any pressure. The flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from 1 or 5-gallon paint buckets, while the ability to support up to 75 feet of paint hose ensures you can reach second stories or high peaks effortlessly. This sprayer is perfect for decks, fences, siding, and small homes. It comes complete with an SG2 metal spray gun, Rack 5 515 switch tip, 25 feet Duroflex paint hose, power flush adapter, and more. Achieve professional results with ease. Get your Graco Magnum Airless Paint Sprayer today. Number 2. InoKraft MaXpray Highly Efficient M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. Paint like a pro with the InoKraft MaXpray Highly Efficient M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. Upgrade your DIY projects with the InoKraft MaXpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer, your ultimate partner for faster, smoother, and more efficient painting. Perfect for projects up to 10 gallons, this sprayer handles both interior tasks like furniture and walls, and exterior jobs like decks, fences, siding, and garages. Designed with beginners in mind but trusted by pros, the M1 sprayer features a 360-degree swivel joint for enhanced precision and agility. Its AutoMax spray tip ensures smooth, even coatings without pre-thinning, minimizing overspray to save paint and reduce costs. Cleaning is effortless with the Flush Ease valve, taking just 10 minutes. Enjoy added comfort with the 12-inch tip extension, anti-fog goggles, and cleaning kit for a stress-free experience. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the M1 sprayer guarantees consistent, professional results every time. Transform your painting experience. Get your MaXpray M1 today. Number 3. Wagner Spraytech High-Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer. Transform your painting projects with the Wagner Spraytech High-Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer. Upgrade your painting game with the Wagner Spraytech Control Pro 130 Power Tank. This high-efficiency airless paint sprayer delivers professional results 3x faster than traditional rollers, making it ideal for home exteriors, decks, and large DIY projects. Designed for versatility, it handles a wide range of unthinned paints and stains, perfect for both interior and exterior jobs. Featuring high-efficiency airless HEA technology, it reduces overspray by up to 55%, ensuring a more controlled, consistent finish while saving paint and minimizing cleanup. The gravity-fed hopper holds up to 1.5 gallons of paint for continuous painting, while the 25-feet hose offers extended reach for large areas. Easy to set up, use, and clean, this sprayer is perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Say goodbye to tedious rollers and brushes. Experience faster, smoother, and more efficient painting with the Wagner Spraytech Airless Sprayer. Number 4. TOMIC Himalaya High-Pressure Airless Paint Sprayer. TOMIC Himalaya High-Pressure Airless Paint Sprayer. Efficient and professional painting solution. The TOMIC Himalaya High-Pressure Airless Paint Sprayer is your go-to tool for quick, smooth, and professional quality paint jobs. Operating at a powerful 3,000 psi, this sprayer delivers an even coating with every use, making it perfect for large areas. It comes with a 25 feet equipped with a 5x8 horsepower or 650-watt motor. This sprayer can handle both water-based and oil-based paints without the need for thinning, giving you consistent, flawless finishes on both interior and exterior surfaces. The user-friendly design reduces fatigue during long painting sessions and simplifies cleaning with its easy disassembly feature. Perfect for DIYers and professional contractors alike. The Himalaya sprayer ensures fast, efficient coverage with minimal overspray. Includes a 1-year warranty, spray gun, hose, and more for a complete setup. Number 5. YESMRO High-Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer. YESMRO High-Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer. Powerful and versatile painting solution. The YESMRO High-Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering efficient and versatile painting for a wide range of projects. With a powerful 1100-watt motor and 3300 psi spray pressure, this sprayer can tackle everything from interior wall decoration to exterior house painting and furniture refurbishment, all without needing to thin your paint. This sprayer uses piston pump technology for improved efficiency, delivering a consistent and smooth finish. It reduces overspray by 55%, ensuring better control and a cleaner application. The reversible airless nozzle allows for effortless maintenance, while the included 20-inch extension rod lets you easily reach high areas without ladders. Equipped with everything you need for a successful painting project, including protective goggles, cleaning tools, and a 1-year warranty, the YESMRO sprayer makes your next painting job quicker, easier, and more professional. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.